So it's about installing XAMP. Let's see some of the important points available for us to catch up quickly. I have downloaded XAMP in the previous video. It's in my download folder. Here we go. So let's go to C partition in my computer again. Here we go. Let's go to C partition. You don't have any folder called XAMP here. Look at what happened after installing. There's no folder called XAMP on C partition, but after installing, see what will happen. I have downloaded the 64-bit version of the XAMP for Windows. Let's install, which is enabled with the PHP 7.2. I have double click on that and wait for a few minutes to install that. Yes, this is actually the access controlling which actually block through your Windows operating system. He's asking, are you having a trust on this particular software? Yeah, I say yes. Let's install this. So we'll be installing that, and while it is installed, it's from Bitnami. So another important message has popped up here. It was saying it seems to you have antivirus running in case of a slowdown of your interface. It can be because of viruses. It's asking whether you want to continue this. I say yes, continue. And there was another important access control, use access control activity. He's asking there are possible restriction from C program file. Will it be okay? I have to say okay. It's a warning message. Here we go, and I got the setup. I say next. Okay, these are the services which will be installed with XAMP. So I'm not going to run Perl with this, so I'm going to remove the tick of Perl if I don't want. And PHP MyAdmin and the Webalizer and the fake send mail are important for me, because if I configure an email server with this, I say next. Here we go. That is the folder I'm talking about. I said earlier, so in my computer C partition there's no folder called XAMP. Alright, so when I next this, what happened, there will be a folder on the XAMP on the C partition called XAMP. He will be creating a folder, still not actually. So, and where all the system, the XAMP configuration files and XAMP important file will be installed in there. Say next. Here we go, and we'll be installing. Okay, I don't want that browser here. I say next. Here we go. So it starts installing, which is taking few minutes to install. Now you can see there's a folder called XAMP comes on the C folder. Once you're installing, that is an important folder. There you will have most of your configuration file. Let it install to be run. The key point to remember, once you install XAMP, you will be having this XAMP folder in your C partition, which is an important folder to remember.